Let's talk about slicing streams. We have four methods for getting a slice of a stream. We have the limit method, which I showed you earlier. With this, we can limit the number of elements in a stream. We also have the skip method. With this, we can skip a number of elements in a stream. This is useful for pagination, and I will show you an example of this later in this video. We also have take while and drop while, which take a predicate. So with take while, we can pass a predicate and say, hey, as long as this condition is true, keep taking elements from this stream. Let me show you how to work with these methods. We have the same list of movies as before. Now we get a stream from this list and call the limit method. Look at the return type. It returns a stream, so it's an intermediate operation. We use it for transforming our streams. So let's pass 2 over here. Then we call for each. We get each movie and print its title. So if we limit the elements to 2, we should get only the first 2 movies. Take a look. So we get A and B. Beautiful. Now, if we call the skip method and skip the first 2 items, we're only going to get this movie. Take a look. There you go. Now, with these 2 methods, we can paginate data. For example, let's say we have 1,000 movies, and we want to display 10 movies per page. And right now, we're interested in the 3rd page. How many movies should we skip? We should skip 20 movies, right? Now, if I want to generalize this into a formula, that formula is skip page minus 1 times page size. So the current page is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 10, that is our page size, that gives us 20. So we skip 20 movies, and then we get 10 movies. If you want to generalize this, we would write limit page size. So if we have a collection of movies and we want to get the movies in the 3rd page, we would write code like this: skip 20, or we can write it in a more general form, then limit 10, and then for each, display their title. Now let's look at the take while and drop while methods. So I'm going to delete these comments. So here's our list of movies. Now, we call take while. Here we should pass a predicate. As long as this predicate returns true, this pipe is going to take elements from the previous pipe. For example, if we type m goes to m.getLikes less than 30. With this, we're going to get the first 2 movies. So this pipe is going to stop the moment we get to the 3rd movie. Take a look. So we get A and B. Now you might be wondering, how is this different from the filter method? Well, the filter method iterates the entire data source to find objects that match our criteria, whereas the take while method stops the moment this predicate returns false. So in this example, if I change the number of likes of the 2nd movie to 30 and this one to 20, you will see that this pipe will only get the first movie, even though we have 2 movies that have fewer than 30 likes. Take a look. So we get A. So the moment this condition becomes false, we stop, okay? So this is the take while method. We also have drop while, which is the opposite of the take while method. So it's going to skip all the elements that match this criteria and then take the rest. In this case, it's going to skip the first movie because it has less than 30 likes, but it will take the other 2 movies, B and C. Let's verify this. So run, and here's the result. Beautiful.